So the wife got me this for Christmas, and it is so sick. It's made by AirBox Toolkit. I don't think they have a website yet. They might soon. You have to order it by email. Slide it out. And you got every tool you possibly need for your KTM, Husky, gas. You got all your Torx bits, little mini ratchet, all the ratchets, or the wrenches, and then your sockets. And then it just folds right back up into a nice compact size, and then you just slide it right back on in. Close it on it.